Green Eco Dragons project at Ysgol Gyfun Llanharry is an award scheme aimed at each teaching department. An initial eco-survey form and the Green Eco Dragon toolkit is sent by email from the Eco Committee Coordinator to the head of each teaching department. Based on criteria set by the Eco Committee, they return the form after ticking the boxes relevant to the standards they have achieved to date. They are then given a score based on the ticks, and a printed certificate showing the number of Green Eco Dragons achieved is placed in a visible position. The tally of green dragons is also placed in the hall, for all to see. A couple of months later, members of the Eco Committee return with the original valuation sheet in hand to assess the department's current status and provide anything that may help the teacher achieve more Green Eco Dragons the following term. The ultimate prize for each department is 5 Green Eco Dragons.